Hello, hello, hello. I'm Elia Weber of Cash is Trash, and this, my friend, is your intro into the stock market. To start your journey in the stock market, feel free to click our link below and sign up for Webull. Okay, so to give you a little context, let's talk about how I got started. I drove a school bus for over 20 years, and I said to myself, I'm really tired of driving the school bus. I need to do something different. Knowing that I'm an artist, I'm like, why don't I just open an art gallery? About a year after opening the gallery, I said, there has to be another way for me to make extra income. So I'm scrolling down social media, and I see a friend of mine named Terrell Daniels, in which we call Coach. Coach said, hey, I can train you, but I'd also like to start a stock market group called Cash is Trash. So I'm like, Coach, what does Cash is Trash mean? He then said, uninvested cash is trash. So I'm like, Coach, what do you mean? Just imagine your money sitting in a bank account or even in your pockets. But if you invest your money into the stock market, you have a great chance of allowing your money to grow. Or imagine making money weekly without having to work hard for it. What is a stock market? What is a stock market? Here's the basic concept. A stock market are companies that want to become big, get more publicity, or make more money. In order for companies to make it big, they want to offer more of themselves or divide themselves up into shares and share with you. Let's just say you're an artist, you have $10 and you'd like to purchase from 3 different companies. Well, with red being your favorite color or your favorite company, red then charges you $2 and give you a cup or give you a share of this company. And now you own a share of this company or a cup of red paint. You also would like to purchase from the company yellow, or you'd like some yellow paint. Well, yellow only costs $1 because the price went down or the price is lower. Because red is more of a dominant color or more of a popular color, everyone wants to purchase the color red opposed to yellow, so in this situation, red will cost more. So that leaves our last color, which is the color green or the company green. Some believe that green is the next big thing, so the company green puts their color on the market, then divide it into shares or divide it into cups. Because red is the hottest color out there, yellow is okay or average. That leaves the color green that many people hardly want. So what happens is green really needs to sell their company or sell their color so others will know, hey, we do exist. Green then sells their color for 50 cents. Of course, green is the lowest company out there, but you still ask yourself, how in the world do I make money in the stock market? Let's just say that different artists who purchased the color green painted a beautiful picture using that color, and everyone loved it, and it gets rave reviews. Well, breaking news! Green paint is one of the greatest colors ever made, and everyone's talking about it and loves it. So what happens after that? Well, everyone wants the color green, so they all go out and buy a cup or a share of the color green. So what happens now? The value of that boring, dull color green shot way up, and you now have to pay $2 for just a share or a simple cup. And there's that question again, how do I make money in the stock market? Well, remember you first bought the color green at 50 cents. You may now sell it to someone that really wants this beautiful color for $2. Well, guess what? We can now say that you made a great trade or a great investment. If you are one to purchase any of these companies or cups or colors, congratulations! You have now invested in the stock market. Just one more thing. Please, feel free to leave questions or comments in the comments section below. And always remember that uninvested cash is trash. I'm Elia Weber, and I will see you in the next video.